We have this Whirlpool fridge. The customers complain is they're getting oil buildup here, and they have to chip it off every couple of weeks or couple of months. Do you guys do it every day or every couple of days? You chip off the ice?
The ice?
Yeah. You clean it every
Month?
Every month, okay.
Yeah.
So they get a lot of oil buildup there, and she's also complaining about the water leakage inside of the fridge compartment, and that's why I think this bucket is because of the water leakage, right?
Yes.
Okay, and it leaks water here. So the main problem here with this unit is the defrost cycle. At the back of this unit, there's a drip hole. There's a tiny hole located right there. The evaporator compartment, the cooling system is right here. Every 7 to 8 hours, that evaporator coil gets filled with ice, and then every 7-8 hours it goes to the defrost cycle for half an hour, for 30 minutes, and then on duration of that 30 minutes, all the ice melts down because of we have a heating element located at the bottom. That heating element comes on for half an hour, 20 minutes to half an hour, melts all the ice, and then all of that ice that becomes water, it's supposed to go in that drip hole. For some reason, if there's debris or ice buildup in that tiny hole, it will freeze the hole, and then all the water comes inside of the freezer. And in worst cases, when you get so much ice buildup here, there's also tiny holes here and there at the back of this plastic piece where the air travels from the freezer to the fridge, because on this fridge, the fridge compartment is getting its cold air from the freezer. Because the holes are right there at the back, the water also leaks because the hole is frozen. All the water leaks inside of the fridge, and then the customer also gets water leakage here. So this is the way the unit works. Also, the customer was complaining about the temperature fluctuation inside of the fridge compartment, and that's also completely normal if you have this issue. If you have ice buildup inside of this freezer compartment, that ice buildup will also plug the holes inside of the freezer where the air is supposed to go inside of the fridge. Once those holes are getting plugged with ice, what happens is the fridge will not get any cold air coming from the freezer, and that's why you will have a problem with the inside of the fridge compartment, but the freezer will still work fine. Other than that, in order to fix this, there's two ways you can fix this. You have to empty your fridge and freezer, keep the doors open, turn it off or unplug it completely for 24 hours. That usually takes care of the problem. Everything melts down, and then you have to wipe the water from here. The other way is to remove the back panel, clean all the ice, use a steamer, and then in worst cases, you may want to install a fence tie and into the heating element and push it inside of the hole, and that will also stop this problem for the future. Thank you.